Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be super short. I'm going to be going over my nighttime routine. If you want to see all the skincare and hair care I use before I go to bed, then please keep on watching. While my hair is still in a towel, I will start on my face. So the first thing I use is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and I use this as a toner. Even though I use a facial cleanser, I want to make sure I get every little bit of makeup off, so this helps remove any leftover makeup that I have on, and it refreshes my skin. I always make sure to use a toner. After you wash your face, you want to make sure that you're restoring the pH balance in your skin as well as moisturizing, and toners help the hydrogen level of your skin. When you have a balanced pH level in your skin, it means you're less prone to oiliness and infection, creating a more vibrant and smoother appearance. Even though the micellar water doesn't say it's a toner, that's essentially what I use it for. I've been using rosehip seed oil on my skin for over 2 years now. This is supposed to help balance, nurture, and hydrate your skin. Rosehip seed oil is lightweight and rich in essential fatty acids, including linolenic acids. The oil contains pure botanical retinol, which is vitamin A, best known for hydrating, balancing, replenishing, restoring sun-damaged skin or mature skin. Another repeat is my Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with lip balms. Using this lip mask before I go to bed really helps me wake up with soft, hydrated lips. Next, I use my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Dermatologist developed, allergy tested, and 100% fragrance free. Yet another way to moisturize my skin. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with moisturizing my skin. If you don't add your own oils into your skincare, your skin is just going to produce more of its own oils. So that's why I use my rosehip seed oil and other moisturizers. Once I'm done with my face, I move on to my hair, and my go-to hair product that I've been using for years is the Beautiful Curls Enhancing Leave-In Conditioner by Alaffia. This helps any frizziness that I have always had to deal with. So I notice right away if I don't use this in my hair will be way frizzier, wavy but in a messy way, and just not very shiny. Alaffia is a great company because it is their goal to alleviate poverty and encourage gender equality. And the empowerment projects include several education-based projects, maternal health, FGM eradication, eyeglasses, and reforestation. All of Alaffia's projects empower Togolese communities to provide their skills and knowledge to the rest of the world and rise out of poverty. So other than the fact that this makes my hair super soft and manageable, I love what they stand for. And last thing I put in my hair is the Giovanni 2 Chic Blackberry and Coconut Oil Ultra Repair Super Potion. This is a hair oil serum for damaged, overprocessed hair. I don't blow out my hair, I let it air dry, which is why I shower at night. But because I do curl it with a curling iron, I want to make sure that I protect it from the heat. It makes my hair super soft, the softest hair you'll feel. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you end up trying any of the products that I've mentioned in this video. That is it for my nighttime routine. I really hope you enjoyed it. Bye babes. See all these skincare and hair care I use, hair care.